Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you spend any time on YouTube, you've probably seen these videos where these creators will talk about their anxiety or depression. Now, I myself, whenever I saw this before I became a creator, I really thought it was fake. I thought it was first world problems. But now, after having been a creator for a few years now, I can definitely understand what they're talking about. And so today I'm going to be talking about the mental and emotional health as a YouTube creator, because this is something that you really can't learn from books or even watching videos. This is things that you really have to experience yourself. And the best analogy that I can use that's been used by many other people is the whole idea of a roller coaster. Now, all of us in life, we do go through these different periods. We all go through our own roller coasters. But whenever you're a creator, there's a lot more of this. There's a lot more dips. There's a lot more ups and downs. The biggest highs that you're going to get is probably when you're first starting out. You know, when you get that first view, that first subscriber, and then maybe later on you might get that first dollar that you make online. Those are huge, huge highs. But then it doesn't take too long where you're going to get these lows, and they come really quick. For example, you might have gotten a lot of views or subscribers from this one video, and then you're thinking, all right, I'm going to go ahead and repeat that. And then you put all this work and effort, and it either gets no views, no subscribers, or worse yet, you get haters and trolls. And that's usually what happens. And the thing is, this never really ends. You're on this cycle of ups and downs, ups and downs. You're always gonna have these huge highs where you're like, everything's exciting, and then the roller coaster just drops. And sometimes it just drops so low that you never feel like it's gonna come back up. And that is what I'm talking about when it comes to the mental and emotional health as a YouTube creator or a creator on the internet in general, because this is something that everybody's gonna experience it. And it really depends on who you are and how you handle it. But at least from my perspective, over time, you learn to identify when these dips are coming. And although it doesn't make things easier, it does make things more manageable. And so later on, whenever you do encounter this thing, you'll kind of mentally know how to deal with it, and then emotionally, you'll know how to go through it as well. And then over time, it just becomes normal, okay? So I would say if you are gonna be a creator, just know that these mental and emotional things will come out. And if you do get to a point where these dips are so low, then obviously you might need to seek help, you know, or maybe take a break from it, because there's really no point in doing this thing if it's going to affect you in a very bad way. And so those are my overall thoughts on the mental and emotional health as a YouTube content creator. If you had any thoughts on this, or maybe you've experienced this yourself, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And don't forget, if you are new to this whole world of YouTube, I do have an entire playlist that really goes through my entire YouTube journey from the beginning up until now. And so you're going to see a lot of those highs and lows as well, just from my own experience. And so if you had any other thoughts, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.